Good afternoon. Hope everyone's doing okay there. Another day here at the gym, feeling back to normal, feeling a little bit better. Yesterday I was still a bit confused. All these prior days, 'cause I got over a very dangerous sickness. But trying to feel better. I have peace of mind. But I'm gonna cut this short because I'm not gonna film. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna shoot any video in the swimming pool because it's always the same pool. So from here, I'm just gonna go and as soon as I get out of here, I'm gonna head out to work. We'll pick up dinner first and then head out to work. But I'd like to, I'd like for you to see the update on the cotton. We're picking it up already. We normally have 4 combines, but with one is enough for now. Since there's certain areas in the land that we have back there that's still a little bit wet from the last thunderstorm we had. But I'll get with you on that. You can see the cotton. It looks beautiful. Good afternoon. How's everybody on YouTube doing? We come up to another, after I got out of the gym, of course, I'm headed over to the ranch. But before, I'm not here to advertise, but I'm just to turn the camera. I need to stop and do something here. You all can see where I stopped. So, anyways, I'm gonna stop here. Mainly that I didn't eat that much today, but I'm not ordering for me. I'm gonna order some food for the guy that we have. He's driving a combine, combine, pretty much. It's like a piece of machinery. Looks like a tractor. It's actually sucking in all the plants and squeezing out the cotton, separating it from the plant, and storing it in the back of the machinery. Is pretty much compressing it until it turns into a round bale. The bale weighs somewhere around maybe 4 or 5 tons. So it becomes a round bale wrapped in yellow colored plastic, thick plastic. So I want to keep that tractor going. I want to keep that guy going. Needs his energy, needs his since he doesn't have an opportunity to get out of the ranch and go eat some dinner. I'm gonna pick up dinner for him. I'm gonna go drop it off where he's at. As soon as we pass through there, you're gonna be able to see the round bales of cotton. They're being picked up. Now this is a different type of cotton than the cotton that people use or factories use to make clothing. This is what I call it is medical cotton. It's cotton that's used for hospitals, and so it's more fluffy. Let's just put it that way. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for now while I come up to the. Oh wait, here I come. This is me. I'm coming up next here.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Let me have the number 3, the quarter, the double quarter pounder with cheese. Add the large fry and the large Sprite.
Large fry?
Yeah, large Sprite.
Only cheese, right?
Also the large fry.
Yes, and only cheese, you said?
I'm sorry?
It was only cheese?
Yeah, it was the double meat, the double quarter pounder
Yes.
With
It was
cheese.
only with cheese, right? You
With
only want
cheese.
cheese on your burger?
I'm
Or
sorry?
you want everything in it?
Oh, everything on it. Everything on it.
Okay.
Also, let me have your large flappy.
A large coffee? What size and what flavor? Or is it going to be the hot coffee?
The what?
Is it going to be the hot coffee or an iced coffee?
The ice one. The ice one.
Sorry?
The one that's made out of ice?
Oh, the frap?
The frappy. Frappy.
Okay. What size?
That should do it.
What size?
Quarter pounder.
What size?
Large.
What flavor? We have caramel, we have mocha.
Caramel.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
First one, though. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, we're coming up to the. She said the first window, right? Oh, we're coming up to the first window. I wonder how they keep track of every single order. These are long lines. Well, I dropped off the food, and this field still needs to be picked up, but we got the combine way out there. If you can see it, I'll put the camera outside a little bit here. You can see that. We got 6,000 acres. Now, we got 4 combines, but the other combines are at the other ranches, so we just really needed one. We're not expecting any rain soon, so we can do this with one. As you can see, look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful yellow plastic wrapped cotton bales. See if I can get a closer look. Roll up the window here and yep. Look at this. Beautiful medical cotton. Beautiful. Look, it still has the seed in there. It still has the seed, which means that it still has to go through a processing. Naturally, it's kind of dirty, full of leaves and stuff, but it's got some strong plastic. Apparently made by John Deere. I think I saw a tag on there. Beautiful cotton, beautiful. We're fixing. I'm estimating about maybe 4 tons per bale, maybe 5 tons. It's very heavy. It's compressed, so you can pretty much see. It feels like a bed. You can actually lean on the side and just crash out. I'm kidding, but beautiful bales of cotton. And as you can see, it doesn't leave too much cotton behind, even though there's a few of them right here. I'll grab some right here, some right here. It's just soft, pretty much. If I could gather enough of these things, I could probably make me a very nice soft pillow. Of course, I'd have to take the seat out, but anyways, that's medical cotton. That's what we use out here. That's what sells the best out here at the ranch. Let me get back in the truck real quick here. Yeah. Get back into the air conditioning. Anyway, medical cotton. Anyway, I'm gonna put this over here in the front, and I'm gonna take off again. Okay, the driver has his dinner, and I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the video since I got other things that I need to run into. Small things that don't pertain to anything not that important as far as the farming is concerned. But this is Farming 101. Takes a lot of patience, a lot of engineering know-how, but we get some successful, healthy looking cotton. And these are us, America's farmers, at work to help feed the United States population and maybe even the world. We are just a minute percentage, but there's farmers all over America doing what they do best at Farming 101. Until next time, it's Dave here. Y'all have a good week. The weekend's coming up, so you all maintain it safe. Maintain your social distancing because the COVID is still around. And Sunday comes around, a good reminder, take your family to the Christian church of your choice. Take your family to the Christian church of your choice. We are living some special days, as you all have seen, of what's been going on in Afghanistan and of what the people of the United States, of how they feel about our president of the United States. Look at that. Wow. A whole tractor trailer full. Y'all have a nice weekend. God bless everyone. Until the next video comes up, Farming 101.